Hi girls and guys, Boris Gelfand. Guys, today we have beautiful day in Boca Raton. It has brand new community and I think you're gonna like it. Guys, let's go inside. Okay guys, we inside of beautiful house. House staged and looks very gorgeous. And it has 5 bedrooms. First floor has living room, some office space, plus master bedroom. All house staged, beautiful and ready to go. So master bedroom on the first floor, it has private pool, association has community clubhouse and pool, but again community brand new, so you can catch a good location. This house specific, it's already resale. It has nice backyard with a pool and it's ready to move in. So let me show you how it looks from here. And it's high ceiling, very high ceiling. So, and master bedroom looks big. Again, house brand new, guys. What you can ask, if all houses brand new was built already with new technology and all finishes looks gorgeous. So it's 5 bedrooms house with all options which is you can just dream about. Okay, so let's go and see what, again, it has carpet, you can replace for anything, but carpet in bedroom it's not bad at all, again, because only you going here. So shiny porcelain floor. So Boca now it's very demandable because of the price per square feet, which is not high compared to other places. And I would say it's good deals. I mean, if you people moving from different states or from different locations in Miami, yeah, I think it's a good time to buy. I mean, I know we have very huge demand now. Everybody trying to get into Miami because of a lot of things happening. So we're in the first floor. So guys, I would love to help you with all your searches. Again, like I said, we have huge selection of brand new houses and we can make a good deal for you. We have tools and we're working with the developers. So if you're thinking, you know, just call us. Don't wait too much because train already started to move. So better to be on the first stages instead to be late. Again, second floor has 4 bedrooms, all of them, like you see, big size, with their own bathrooms. It's very important, each room has own bathroom, so kids gonna have privacy. Again, I'm not gonna show all details, but no, don't wanna break privacy of the people. But again, I said, house brand new, Boca Raton, and we have a lot of options of the houses brand new, already resales. So all houses 2019, 2020. Guys, welcome to come. See you.